Hello, welcome back to DBI Review. Today, I'm going to show you the Mega Puffer upper stuffers. And these little floaty things, you know, these things that like fly around with seeds in them? Yup, exactly. Let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to be showing them while burning them. Okay, so here I got a couple of them. See, so if I just put it right there, the fire just like melts, like instantly. Besides the shell, it doesn't really burn. So then these, if you go and take one of these and just split them apart and just put them like right above the fire, they should just like float, just like how they do, just like that. Just that they go super high, especially with feathers too. So then, if you put a couple of them, and then, if, I caught it, I saved it. Ooh, there's a bug on my hand, what in the world? Or maybe it's just a seed, I don't know, I can't tell the difference. It looked like it was crawling. Okay, and then, if I go over here and pick these up and then, okay. Sometimes they turn into little bits of dust. And now, for the grand finale. If you take some of this and wrap it around one of those, so like not really wrap it around, but so just take one of them, put it inside of this, watch this, it'll like instantly burn right over the fire. There's too much weight on it and it just burns, especially with the Mega Stuffer Upper Puffer. So, I don't know. I think it's interesting. So, here, I'm going to try to find a moth, and I'm going to try to catch it. And when I do, oh, there's one right here. There's one right here. I'm going to try to catch it. I'm going to catch it. Okay, so now I caught one. They should have this stinger looking thing. Whoa. Okay, so now if you take a look, whoa, there's another one. I caught it. And there's lots of smoke, of course. So, well, if today's video wasn't funny, comment down below. If it wasn't funny, subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure to leave a like.